Hello guys, this is going to be my first video. For last few times ago, I planned to do it and here I am with you in Trends with a V. Today, I will discuss about Nobel Prize being awarded for medicine or physiology in 2020. The three scientists Michael Houghton, Charles M. Rice, Harvey J. Alter awarded jointly for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. So, in this video, we are discussing about the scientists, how they got this prize, what is hepatitis and why hepatitis is so much important that been awarded for the Nobel Prize. Moreover, we all know about coronavirus, right? So, if corona vaccine is not been introduced, so it will be harmful for all of us, and if it is been introduced within 1 or 2 years, who knows, it can be awarded the Nobel Prize also for next upcoming few years. I hope so, and I think you guys also hope so like that. So come to the point that these three scientists discovered the hepatitis C virus, not the vaccine. Mind it carefully, don't mix both the things. Vaccine is different and to finding the virus is different. It means that the two different things. You guys only think if one virus is not been discovered yet, then how the scientist will make the vaccine for it? Like that, if we don't know the idea about coronavirus and its fatal effect, then how we make the vaccine for it? So the detection of the virus is very much important firstly, and Houghton, Rice and Alter, the three scientists did this job beautifully with the discovery of hepatitis C virus. Before starting this, I will let you guys a brief history about the Nobel Prize. Okay, so this is one of the oldest fame of the world and the most prestigious fame in education field. It will give the fame as well as a huge money prize with a gold medal. So if one person got this Nobel Prize, the next and the next upcoming generation of him or her will go through a convenient economic aspect. So we all know that Nobel Prize named from the famous person and the inventor of dynamite, Sir Alfred Nobel, who was chemist in Sweden. Before his death, in his will, he wrote like that after his death, one prize will be awarded with his name to contribute to the greatest benefit of mankind. After his death on 1896, from 1901, this prize was awarded almost 119 years ago from today. At that time, it was awarded in the fields of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. And the year of 1968, economics added on this field. The person who won the Nobel Prize got US dollar about 1,14,500, which in Indian currency about 8 crore almost. So you only estimate how much big this Nobel Prize is and the prestige of it. So one question for you all. Which date is known as World Hepatitis Day? Means which day we are celebrating across the world as World Hepatitis Day? Answer it in the comment section. So one thing I can assure you that the theme of 2020 of World Hepatitis Day is Hepatitis Free Future, which focus on preventing hepatitis B among mothers and newborns. It means that preventing hepatitis B transmitted from mother to the newborn. So now, what is hepatitis? Hepatitis is defined as inflammation of liver. I think all know what is the inflammation of liver means. If the liver damaged by infection, that's inflammation. The main problem we faced for this is anorexia, means loss of appetite, right? Abdominal pain, vomiting, like that. The main cause of hepatitis is drug abuse, more alcohol intake, fatty liver, autoimmune process. So, do you know what is autoimmune process? Okay, auto means self, right? And immunity is provided by antibodies, which means that antibodies destruct his own cell, means liver. Antibodies attack the liver so that inflammation occurs. Like that, it can cause the hepatitis, that autoimmune process. So come to the next point. There are mainly 5 types of hepatitis: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, and hepatitis E, in which hepatitis A and hepatitis E is not more dangerous, rather than hepatitis B and hepatitis C is more dangerous. For these 2 types of hepatitis, means hepatitis B and C, medicine is available as antiviral drugs. So we can use antiviral drugs as a medicine, but vaccine is still not been introduced. That is the main concern of all of us. Means cure is possible of these 2 diseases, hepatitis B and hepatitis C, but still it's need vaccine. Do you know the difference between medicine and vaccine? Medicine can given to the diseased people, whether vaccine can given to the healthy people needed, and it can also develop antibodies to fight against hepatitis. This is the main difference between medicine and vaccine. Okay, don't confuse with it between medicine and vaccine. You all know about that this hepatitis is discovered in 19th century, means in 1960 and 1970, in this time period, and total of 71 million people are affected with this, and in India moreover 7 to 10 million people are affected with hepatitis. But here we only discuss about hepatitis C virus of its discovery, which has been awarded for the Nobel Prize in 2020. In one report, it's reported that total 4 lakh person got affected across the world in 2016 with hepatitis C virus. Now let's discuss about the history of hepatitis before hepatitis C virus discovery. Before the discovery of hepatitis C virus, already we got the idea about hepatitis A and hepatitis B in early 1960. Hepatitis A is spreading through contaminated food and water. Like that same hepatitis E also. So it's less dangerous. Whether hepatitis B is spreading through infected blood. So it becomes more serious as it can spread through blood, so we can't transfuse the blood from one person to other person who is getting already infected before only. But still one scientist named Bloomberg invented the vaccine of hepatitis B. That 1976 he got the Nobel Prize for this in medicine. Though this achievement can't yet solve the problem, as it's been reported that about 20% cases got cured, but 80% cases still not be cured. That's the concern for all of the scientists at that time. So scientists understand that there might be a new virus which can cause the disease, or the virus may be mutated. In 1970, scientist Alter started working on it and defined the characteristics of this new virus. After some time, another scientist, Houghton, started work on it, and after screening tests over 1 million of DNA sequence, he named it as a hepatitis C virus, and thus is called as hepatitis C virus. And in later period of time, scientist Rice defined hepatitis C as a chronic form of hepatitis. So now let's discuss about why hepatitis C is significant as it got the Nobel Prize. Hepatitis C can spread through blood. So blood transfusion of those patients can be avoided. So it becomes safer for those persons, and it can improve our healthcare system also. In the discovery of this virus, there are several scientists worked on it. But as Nobel Prize only be given to 3 scientists only, so Alter, Houghton and Rice awarded with this Nobel Prize in 2020 in medicine. So that's all for this video, and if you know more about the history of Nobel Prize, let me know in the comment section, and write World Hepatitis Day in comment section also. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon that you will not miss any update of my upcoming next videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. Your one like can make a smile for me. So please don't forget to drop a like, and let me know that what areas I have to improve myself for these upcoming videos, and share these videos with your friends also. Thanks.